you are a content creator, voiceover artist, or musician, and do not have the required gears like a microphone to get started, do not worry, we are here for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to record audio on your PC using your mobile phone, and we will be using a third-party app known as WO Mic Client. But if you're new to this channel and would love to see more related videos like this, I recommend you subscribing to get notified when we release a new video. Let's get started. So the first thing you would want to do is to download WO Mic Client on your PC. I'll be leaving a link in the description box below on where to download. So let's get to our mobile phone. So what you want to do after turning on your mobile phone is open Google Play Store on your phone, then searching WO Mic Client. After it has loaded, you locate the app with the icon currently on your screen and just hit the install button. After it has downloaded, which won't take more than 5 minutes depending on your internet speed. So after installing the app, what we want to do is open the app for the first time on our mobile phone. Then opening, we can see that the connectivity has been set to Wi-Fi, but we want to change it to Bluetooth so that we're able to connect it to our PC. So to do that, you just have to click on the three dots at the top, then click on go to settings. So at settings, we would want to click on transport and select Bluetooth to make us be able to use this app on our PC on the mobile phone connected via Bluetooth. We can also play with our settings over here, like the UI theme. We can change to the light theme or the dark theme, but for this video we'll leave it as default. So setting the transport on Bluetooth, moving back, we can see that now the connectivity has been set to Bluetooth. So we'll also do the same thing on our PC, then we connect to go to capture audio. So we'll now move on to our PC. So after installing WO Mic Client on your PC via the link I've left in the description box, you want to double click or right click and click on install. Then you'll be welcomed by this user account control. We'll just click on yes, and now we'll be welcomed with the setup process, which is installer language. So go for English. Then it says welcome to WO Mic Client setup. This setup will, so we just click on next to continue. Then we'll leave everything as default for now. Then we'll just click on next. Then here they tell you the destination folder for every file, every document concerned with this application. We also leave it as default. Then we'll just click on install, so we can see it's installing on our PC. So now you can see it says what, completing WO Mic Client setup. Your computer must be restarted in order to complete the installation of WO Mic Client. You want to reboot now, or you manually reboot later? So I'll go for manually reboot later, then click on finish. So we've currently installed WO Mic Client on our PC. We want to double click, then double clicking on it, you see we are welcomed by this interface. Let me increase the size. So at the down, you can also see disconnected, then Wi-Fi. So you see back on our Android phone, when we opened the app for the first time, the connectivity was set to Wi-Fi, the same as our PC, but we've set our Android phone to Bluetooth. So we also want to change our laptop connectivity to also Bluetooth. So for this, we want to go to connection, then click on connect, then set our connectivity on Bluetooth. So you can see we've set on Bluetooth, then our target Bluetooth device I've currently not. So you can see my mobile phone itel A16 Plus. So yeah, so we've now set up WO Mic Client on our PC, so it's ready to connect. So the next thing we want to do is connect our Android phone with our PC via Bluetooth. Then we start recording audio. So let's get the connection done. So I've now connected my mobile phone with my PC, which you can see at the bottom there, and I'm currently making a recording which you can't hear because I've muted it because of the voiceover I'm currently making. So we've currently come to the end of this video. If you really enjoyed it, I recommend you giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to this channel if you haven't done so for more related videos. See you in the next video. It's bye for now.